Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can mute the emoticons or mute the opponents during match and manage in the manager mode EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. Previously this game is a FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Let's get start by tapping the play and go to manager mode. Tap manager mode and let's find the opponent by tapping the play button. Welcome to the manager mode. So if you get annoyed by emoticon or you get distracted by emoticon that your opponent express, you can completely mute it by tapping this three stripe button at the top of your screen and this one. Switch on the mute button to mute the emoticon that your opponent express it to you, and you can focus for the match. And if you want to unmute, just tap it at any point during the match. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.